back to fast and easy Indian cooking. Today we are making keema aloo curry, and this is one of the very easiest curry I'm going to show you. Going to be cooked really fast and very delicious. For that I'm going to take let me start with the ingredients. So I have the onion, I have half tomato, half red bell pepper, half garlic, some garlic and ginger, and then I have like 2 tablespoon of yogurt. I have some cilantro. I have one. This is for garnish. I'm going to put it in the end. I have black pepper. I have cumin powder, turmeric, chili flakes, salt, and this is we all know fenugreek leaves, or we say is methi pata. That's it. That's all we're going to use. And then I'm going to go ahead and start doing first this. I'm going to go ahead and put my oil. It's going to be about 2 tablespoons of oil I'm going to use in this recipe. And then I'm going to go ahead and start doing here. Let's see. My stove is fast. I'm going to put garlic and ginger first. Let it fry a little bit. You can just chop it as you want it, because I'm going to grind everything. Then this is going to be a little bit cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. I'm going to fry this, and then I'm going to add my tomato and bell pepper and everything. I'm going to fry everything and then make the paste. So I'm going to let you see that, okay? So as you see, my ginger and garlic is here already. You can use the paste also. You can use the ginger and garlic paste. I put but I like everything to be fresh, so I use all fresh stuff usually. This is 2 onion. I chopped it as you want it and just put it in the oil and let it fry, okay? Okay, so as you see now, my tomato is mushy already. It's soft. You can see it's very soft right now. And my red pepper is also really soft right now. Everything is soft. So what I'm going to, as you see, when you're going to see this is all mixed together, and you see that it's all smooshy little bit, you can go ahead and slow your stove and take it out in the same plate and let it cool a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead, my stove is still on low flame. I'm going to take again 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil, whatever you desire. You can take 1, 2. And then I'm going to start my stove a little bit high on the flame. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken now. I'm using same pot. And let the chicken cook. This one. It's cooking right now. While I'm cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put all my spices. So I'm going to go ahead and put black pepper, as you desire, about 1 teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon cumin powder. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon turmeric, chili flakes, and pink salt, or you can use your choice of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and put all this. And you see my vegetables are still here. I'm going to wait a little bit. It gets cool, and then I'm going to grind everything. So this is, I'm going to go ahead and cook with the spices. And let it cook. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how I'm going to grind this vegetable. Okay. So my vegetable, I'm going to put it in the grinder. I use bell pepper, half bell pepper, and half tomato, and 2 onions, and garlic and ginger. And then I'm not going to use any water. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of yogurt. You can take full fat yogurt, or you can take non-fat. I use non-fat, but you can take whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and grind. So it probably needs some water. So I'm going to go ahead and put like a drop. That's it. And let's see if it's work. Still needs a little more. So again, couple of drop more. That's it. Okay. So this is done. I'm using same plate. I'm going to take my mixture out in this plate. Now let's see again the chicken, how it's doing. The chicken is doing good. I'm going to cook it more and then I'm going to put this mixture in my chicken with my potato. So let it cook more, a little bit more. No water needed right now. We're going to put some water, but it's going to be in the end. So let it cook everything like this. Now it's halfway cooked already. At this time, I'm going to go ahead and put this mixture in it. And I'm going to cook it all together. This chicken recipe is really delicious. You should try. We usually love this one. So, now let it cook. I'm going to go ahead and cover my frying pan for like around 15 minutes till all the spices and everything is going to cook. And then in the end, I'm going to add some potato and let it cook again, okay? So I'm going to cover it right now. As you see, the spices all dried up. It's no water left right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes now. And then I soak it in it's only one potato. It's been this chicken, you can wait till the water get dry, Now I'm going to go ahead and this is the same I'm using which I grind my spices, same water. I'm going to go ahead and put more water in it and let it cook. I'm going to go ahead and add about, I would say like half cup more water in it. So let's see, here we go. I'm go ahead and put some more water. And then this is like about half cup water I'm going to put. And then let the potato cook. And in the end, I'm going to go ahead and add some fenugreek leaf or methi pata, I'm going to go ahead and put this one. That's it. And then we'll let it cook for 15 more minutes or till the potato is going to cook. We'll be back in 15 minutes again. So everything is ready, as you see. It's all done. We'll go ahead and put it in my dish. You can see the potato is ready too. It's all cooked. Alright, now I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro and some peppers and some ginger. It's all ready. There you go. Looks really good and delicious. And you can serve with rice or roti or naan or toast, whatever you want to serve it with. I'm going to go ahead and serve today my family with toast. I made some chapati and some rice and some toast also. So let's finish it. That's it. It looks really good. Let me taste it. Let me see how it looks today. I'm very hungry. Can't wait. Get some salad. And I'm going to go ahead and take some spoon. Very, very yummy. Very delicious, very yummy, very healthy. You definitely need to try it and please enjoy the video. Thank you. And subscribe the channel. Thank you.